Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama out here on the 10th of September, and it's actually the 7 original little quails' birthday today. Yeah, so a year ago today that Marion texted me and let me know that I was a mama without going through all the labor. Thanks, Marion, for getting me started. Sure appreciate it. And anyway, today I am over here checking in with the 10 little birds that we hatched, and they're doing well. Just changed out their food and water. Of course, that agitated them pretty good, but it looks like they're settling down. They found the food. Oh, and there's the adult birds watching them. Quite entertaining for each other, it seems. Oh, there's a couple of the newer babies acting very interested. Anyway, all 10 are surviving and thriving and doing well. And maybe here in a couple of weeks I might go ahead and turn them into the larger coop with the adults, see how that works out. I'm hoping they'll all accept each other, but with a bigger number of birds it might be more intimidating, so I'm not quite sure how that'll work out, but here in a couple of weeks we'll figure it out. If it doesn't work out, I still have this hutch and a couple other quail jail pens like the bachelors are in, the Lost Boys. But for now, everything seems to be working out real well. Here in a few minutes, I'm going to go visit with the older birds, get them all freshened up and ready for a new week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Sure appreciate you all. Please give us a like and a subscribe. Feel free to leave us a comment, a question, or share us on your social media. That would be great too. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye for now.